What's up, Doc? That's what a famous cartoon rabbit used to say when eating carrots like this, when running away from hunters and causing trouble for ducks and other things. But he was responsible for a generation or two, maybe even three, of children that loved to eat carrots raw, saying, "What's up, Doc?" So tonight, that's kind of the prelude to our carrot soup tonight. We're going to make carrot soup. It's actually called Potage Crecy. Alright, I got this from my 12 Months of Monastery Soups cookbook, which I strongly suggest that you get. It's a great book. But Brother Antoine tells us about that it used to be anyway, that every August 26th, that in Great Britain, all good Britons would enjoy this Potage Crecy in celebration of the British victory over the French in the 100 Years' War back in the 1300s in this village of Crecy, where the legendary carrots are grown, the best carrots in the land. So, but this soup is really good. It's one of my favorites that I've ever made. It's very thick, it's very hearty, and I think you'll like it too. And I hope that it will inspire you to get out your
a soup spoon!
Alrighty, here we go. We're going to make our Potage Crecy, our carrot soup. And so, as you can imagine, the main ingredient is going to be carrots. Now, I'm making a big batch for my big family, so feel free to half my recipe if you are only cooking for maybe 4 people. This one's probably for, 8 to 10, and you could half it and make it for 4 to 6. So what we're going to add here is 20 carrots chopped up, okay? 20 carrots. What I did actually is I just got two 2-pound bags and just got the best and biggest carrots out of there. I think I actually got about 23, but that's okay. So we've got about 20 carrots, maybe 22. I've got 4 small potatoes. I was gonna just put in 2 potatoes if they were big, but since they're small, I'm gonna put in 4. Boy, it looks like I need a bigger pot. I don't have my normal soup pot for some reason. Oh, we don't want to take any water out because we might. We'll see what happens. I think this will be all right because the only main thing left that's going to displace is the onions. And 2 onions. All right, so, ooh, that's going to be a tight one. So we've got our carrots, we've got our potatoes, we've got our onions in here. Let me get this fire going. To that, we also want to add 2 tablespoons of butter. We also want to add about 2-3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Got that over here. And to sweeten this up, we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Ooh-wee, man, living live, that's full. That's all right. We're just going to simmer it. And as that's heating up, we want to put in 2 bullion cubes. Now, if you happen to have some stock on hand, I would use that instead. But I don't. I don't have any of my buffalo stock left. We used that already. So I'm going to put 1, and my sous chef Jack is opening up the other one. There we go. All right, 2. All right, so now what we're going to do is bring this up to a slow boil, and we're going to cook it on low for about an hour. All right, and after an hour, we'll come back and do some finishing touches. All right, so an hour, 1 hour, ready, go. So, all right, there, it's been simmering for an hour now. Actually, I had it on high because I was working on our ship's biscuit while this was cooking, but it makes me think I didn't ever start the oven. So let me do that. But our soup is done. All the vegetables are soft. Oops. There we go. Okay. As you can see, we got all our vegetables in here. Tomato sauce, you can see that at the top. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to add 2, actually I'm adding 3 tablespoons of cream to this. All right. And then we are going to mix it up with our stick blender. We're going to blend it. You can do this in a blender, push it through a colander, whatever. I've got a new stick blender. All right, well, we have blended that, and I think all the big chunks are gone. Look at that. Very nice. It looks kind of like a tomato soup. What this is, carrots. So it's very thick. It's a potage. So we will find out how it tastes in just a moment. Okay. Well, now we're going to try this soup. We're going to got it dished up. I'm going to add a little salt in here and a little pepper. I don't have a pepper grinder right now. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Man, that is so good. Oh, sounds like we got a cat fight going to go on. Uh-oh. Well, in spite of the cats, man, this is so good. It is, just like my wife Jennifer says, it tastes like roast. It's meatless roast. So it's got the potatoes, the carrots, the onions, a little bit of tomato paste. It's got some butter, like for buttered potatoes. So that used to be the custom in our country that on Sundays after church people would come home and have a meal with the family, a roast with carrots perhaps and onions and potatoes. And so that's what this will make you think of. It's what it tastes like. It's so good. So if you don't want to eat meat, but you like the roast and all the trimmings, man. That, I think that's the best one yet. I do. That's just so good. Boy, have a little piece of bread with that. That'd be so good. I don't have any right now, but oh, I don't want to stop eating it. And it's low calories. I put the ingredients into a nutrition calculator on the internet, and it came up with 89 calories per serving, per cup of this. So it's, you know, very, I guess you could say health conscious. It's vegetarian. Well, yeah, it's vegetarian. It does have some butter, but and some cream, but no meat. So, my goodness, I think you will really enjoy this. It didn't take a long time to prep or cook, so you know, I hope that you will try this, make it for your family, and hope you'll get out your
The soup spoon.